So I think AFL does a great job of providing technical support in two key areas. One with our custom design products. So AFL has a lot of different products where you can customize it to a unique application. So whether that's an ADSS cable or a hardware piece or something in our connectivity suite, we have a lot of smart part numbers which lets you dial in a product to your unique application. So that's one area where we can provide great customer support and walk alongside you with those decisions of, hey, do I need this part or piece? Do I need to add this on to my product? We can help you with that. So that's number one. Number two, I think a key area we provide support is in our field and application support. So we do a great job, whether it's the beginning of your project, we'll come out and we can advise you on a greenfield project of, hey, here's a right-of-way solution we would probably provide for you, or some other applications that you might need at the beginning of your project. In the middle of your project, we can help with installation. We can come out to the field with you and walk alongside some of those cable installations. And then even towards the end of the project as well, we can help you with test and inspection and those type of applications. So we do a great job in both those key areas, from field and application support, but also our custom design products as well.
From technical support, what I can see is the feedback that I get from customers, right? I used to be part of that team, so I remember the date, and one of the things that I remember was that the AFL did back then, still do it today, is we listen to our customers. So that's the feedback that I normally get from my customers. So is AFL provide an excellent services because we listen, right? A lot of the products that we are offering today in the market were a result of those conversations with the customers that we need to tweak things in here, or we need to change in here, can you develop this for us? So the key of our great customer service, which is this is the feedback that we get from our customers, that we do an excellent job, is because we listen to them. They like that. And we provide that service. And AFL is just slightly different because we offer a lot. If you look at our portfolio, our catalogs, and our website, there's a lot of products in there, right? And we support every single one of them. So we have a good group of people like you, Noah, that provide all that information to our customers, and that's what the customers see. So they definitely, the feedback from my customers to me and to everybody in AFL is that we do an excellent job in the technical support.